How are you?
Yeah. Mm, so, so,
Okay.
fine.
I downloaded the Java file and the Eclipse. I don't know why I'm stuck on files. When I open that, if you can share my screen,
I use the presenter
see
already.
why. And assignments in the next couple of days. I was stuck in some.
Okay. Okay. Share your screen.
That's the right one. That's what we need to work, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So what?
Okay. I chose the project by going close. Then JavaScript.
No.
I'm doing wrong here. So we have start with the new file.
File in the menu.
Go ahead.
File new Java bit.
Okay. So any name, what you're starting. So Java
Yeah,
project queue.
you can give anything. Yeah, after that. Yeah.
Finish.
Yes.
Yeah.
Once it is created, expand. Yeah, I click on SRC. New package. New patch. Name.
And we have to plot name here too. Name.
Yeah.
We have to create package in
Finish.
Java or just finish.
No, finish. Now click on scripting. New class. Yeah. You like any name you like. That's good. Our first Java program. Java programs are usually called by classes. After that, wait. No spaces. No. There is error showing up on the top, right? And after that, there is a checkbox public static void main. Select that.
So we go by public void.
Yes. Check it. Yes.
And one we don't have
Keep
to.
it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Now your first program, it will open up just hold out the task list and come right side. Close them.
Close it.
There is an X mark. The name there is beside the name called welcome. There is a small X. Yeah. The title welcome.
Right.
Above.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right.
Right. Done.
Okay.
Close the task list. Close the outline. So this is your first Java program. So inside the static main, public static void main, inside that brackets you have to start writing your program. Like I told, you have to mention class and main and everything, but those are all provided by
It's showing that class already. Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you install JDK and JRE?
No, yeah. So I have to Google to get those. Okay, I'll install it today.
Before that, Before that, we have to make a verification if it is installed on your machine. So for that, I say a few keys. Press that Windows R. On your keyboard, not related to Eclipse. On your keyboard, there is a Windows key.
Okay.
There is an R key. So command press.
Window and R.
Yes. In the text box, type CMD or cat, M for monkey, D for doll. CMD. Enter. Yeah.
Right.
Command prompt. JAVA. Type that in that. CN
Right.
space RSION version Java space hyphen
Oh.
not comma
Okay.
minus hyphen as minus
Right.
Java space minus version
Is that right?
minus symbol, right? Yeah, enter.
Right, that's correct. Yeah, that.
Hit enter.
So it's right or right? Because I give a space.
right.
It's okay if there's a space in between. Okay.
It's correct. Just hit enter. It says you already have Java and its version is 1.8.0.121. You have to install again.
Okay.
Just close it. Line number 7 in your Eclipse. Now start writing your program. And it should be inside the flower bracket of number 8. You should write anything after line number 8 as of now. Okay?
This one, there is another bracket which that means it's created already in class.
In Java, for everything you open a bracket, like for class, for a method, then for a loop, for conditional statement. For everything you open brackets and close brackets. If you write set of statements inside the brackets, which come under the line, which come under the method or loop. Inside bracket.
Okay.
Yeah, you're supposed to write. It has asked me to take Java as well, like weeks of Java. Okay.
That will help us more.
I'll start with that. Okay, I'm taking the screen.
How we use the JavaScript in Selenium? How it relates?
Script is different, Java is different. Both are two different languages. So what are you concerned about?
We are doing now, that is JavaScript.
Java. It's bothered about JavaScript.
Okay.
So
this one we are talking about that is Java.
Yes.
It got to be related with the Selenium ID. We are all those
For
XPath and
yeah. For about ID is entirely a separate tool. Okay. And
right.
XPath is related. Java is related. We are actually doing Java programming. We're doing Java programming. Okay. Inside Java, there are thousands of ready-made packages like math, string operations, functions. So almost everything that you want, you have a ready-made package. One such package is Selenium. It deals with a web browser. Okay. Yeah. I'm taking the control. Alright, on my screen. Left my screen has covered.
Yes.
In any language, okay, we have test cases, right? Like you want to
Right.
open this URL, okay, you want to open this URL. After opening on this URL, you want to click on this first link. The first test case.
Java home. Okay.
Okay, right. So similarly, you will have hundreds of test cases. What you want to do is you want Selenium to do exactly the same thing what you hand and brain and eye coordination altogether does. Okay, they will be done by your hand, brain, and eyes even without your knowledge at times. For example, there is this page, and all might be jumbled and overlapped, and this text is like nothing in English, it is showing in French or something. Okay, your eye catches it immediately and sends signals to your brain saying this is not working fine. Okay, we want Selenium to do the same thing. We have to write a script. We have to send it instructions to do the same thing because it doesn't do on its own, right? It's just a machine. Instructions to the machine for it to do what we want. Okay. For doing that instructions for that whatever we want, we need some commands. These are the commands you have to follow and repeat every day. When I say run, you can repeat these commands. Okay. For giving commands, we use English in day-to-day life. But about a machine understand our language, right? A basic English. So it needs a machine language.
Correct.
Like C++, Java, or something. Okay. So Java is advanced machine language, which I'm using currently for doing that job where it is designated to do. Okay, I'll be sending instructions to Selenium in Java. Okay. So we want it to open this URL. We will send some Selenium commands. Call them Selenese commands. Okay, in Java, commands are called Selenese commands. Okay. So the command to open this, they send the command to open the first link. So we try to open the first link. Here numbers are coming into the picture. We have to choose the first link. Alright? And in order to read the Java-home with strings. Right? So that Java comes into picture into our application. Are you able to get it? Is it Are you able to catch me? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Alright. Fine. Okay. Yeah, so coming to Java, Java is built on a set of rules. Okay, you can speak English as you want. No, right? You have rules like grammar and wording, a lot set of rules to speak English, in language, in fact. So, the rules on which it is built, basically. The object-oriented programming is kind of rules on which the Java is built. Okay. So, for the rules later on, first we will understand how it goes through writing a basic scenario. Because as you saw in Selenium, gave public static void main by itself. So we have some helping hand with respect to the rules. Okay. Helps us a lot with the rules. You don't mug up all the rules all the time. So you have to mug up the rules only before interviews. Right?
Okay.
So all you to know is how to speak in Java. Okay, so Java home, our Java home is nothing but like Hicks. Okay, so you know where this came from, right? So whatever you name, you gave first, right? Another FIRST, yeah, like that. So public class, what name you gave, the same name will come here. You should not change this. You cannot change this. Okay. And
this is it's gonna be name of project on public class.
It is going.
What name we chose there?
Yeah, it is going to be the name of the class. When you created a class,
okay,
right click new class. So okay, when you created that, you gave a name. That name and this name will be the same. You created a class basically. So this is the class. So this is the name you gave, and this is what it will be here. So if you try to change the file name, here as well. Just if something happens, you want to change your file name, in like then have to change it there also. Okay. Then this is the point which Java searches for when you try to run a program. Okay, this is the starting point of your program. Forget about these three guys. This is the point where your Java tries to start to work. Yeah, so as I said, this is opening parenthesis.
In case we are going to start from the home, Java home. So do we have to put that we are searching for Java home? So would be the right to put here the name of Java home, or what we are looking for, or where we are going to search for?
Whatever it is, it will be main only.
Okay.
What will be main? Okay. In this, you can write whatever actions you want the program to do. Okay. What does inside main? So void main, upper open, and unequal and opposite parenthesis will close. Okay. Inside these two parentheses, you have to write anything, whatever you want to write. Okay, don't write anything outside these two parentheses. Can mess up your life. Eclipse will also not be able to help much with parentheses. In situations it will help, but not always. Parentheses will mess up, so be very careful with parentheses. Okay, I mean the power bracket, and square brackets, and parentheses. I'm collectively talking about all sorts of parentheses. Okay, very careful about the parentheses. Inside these brackets, we will give instructions whatever we want to do. For example, I want to print world on my screen. Okay, this it will happen. Hello world. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and
Okay, this is, can I ask this one? So after this curly parenthesis, the flower bracket is a system dot out dot printing. So is that the permanent code for having anything print out? System dot out dot printing.
it doesn't necessarily mean print out. Means a soft way of printing. It will there is something called console in Eclipse, so it will print to that only.
Okay.
Okay, man. Just a second, guys. This machine is not supporting Eclipse for some reason. I'll try to add Eclipse from another machine. And configuration is not enough. Oh man, it says number of attendees 3. Okay.
Why most they don't cooperate with the Eclipse to make time to get that software downloaded and then installed?
Downloading is dependent on the provider. Okay, so the seleniumhq.org, the website where you're downloading it from. So Selenium HQ, the Eclipse.org where you're downloading your Eclipse from. It depends on mirror, and yes, it depends on the configuration of the machine. Okay, so my machine configuration is like memory is 4 GB. Okay, configuration. Okay, and out of this, 1.39 GB is occupied by operating system, Chrome, Cisco, Firefox. Okay, I want my test cases to be open, so I'll keep my whatever test cases I have. Okay, then I'll keep my browser open. Okay, on the mid Cisco. Okay, once everything is open, already the RAM is full. I need a 8 GB machine for my Eclipse to work. Okay, 87% of the memory.
The projects that then you have to have extra space for these. You should have extra.
Yeah, RAM.
GB space.
Yeah, we have to have the RAM. Okay. Not space. It is RAM. IM RAM. Actually, it is